I'm so fortunate to be able to do what I do. I love what I do. I'm in a position where I get to see people every day, and I can improve their vision, but more importantly, I'm changing their lives, and I love that. My commitment to every patient that enters this building is to use every resource I have available, from my team, from every piece of technology that I have, and from everything that I know and everything that I've learned, to find a solution to whatever vision issue each patient presents to me.
I admire his conservatism. I admire that he will not just treat because he can. I like that he will talk with a patient about what he thinks and what he's suspicious about for them. Even though we could do it, he would hold the reserve and be more conservative with the decision because he's taking into account what's best for their vision, not what's best for him.
My practice is a surgical practice. People come to me for surgery. It's not unusual to turn people away for surgery. I'm very conservative. At the end of the day, I want to recommend a procedure that I have total confidence is going to be the right procedure for someone. And if I feel that the technology is not correct, or that there's some risk to undergoing a procedure, I'm going to discuss that with the patient, and often we'll turn the patient away, recommend they wait for technology to catch up, or perhaps whatever's going on with their eyes will change over time.
I mean, I couldn't wait to have it done. As soon as my doctor said I was ready, I'm like, can you get me in as soon as possible?
Dr. Solomon is world-renowned. He's an excellent surgeon who is passionate and committed to what he does.
I'm fortunate enough to be able to have the opportunity to travel all over the world, and I have access to different technologies worldwide. I work with industry leaders around the world, and I'm very involved with research. For the last 35 years or more, and over 70,000 procedures that I've performed, I have the opportunity where I can tell, is this something that's new, or is it going to make a difference in my patients' lives? And if I feel it's going to make a difference in their life, I want to study it, I want to learn about it, and that's how I make my decisions. But at the end of it all, it's not so much about the technology. It's not so much about opportunities to be first. It's about finding what we can find anywhere in the world that allows us to take the best care of patients.
That's what makes our team so unique, is he's got a research team. So doing all this research and making sure that everybody has all the options possible is a really awesome thing that he does. It's incredible.
You know, I think for a long time I let fear get in the way of making the decision to have LASIK. I mean, I would always go in for my annual eye exams, and my optometrist would say, you know, you're a really good candidate for LASIK, and I just couldn't push back the what if, or what is that going to be like? And now that I've done it, I mean, I feel like I'm a walking billboard to all my friends who still wear glasses and contacts. Like, why haven't you done this yet? Go get your consultation. It's so life-changing, and it's really the best investment I think we've made as a couple together to both get LASIK.
The surgery and the technology is advancing at such a rapid rate, and I'm very fortunate that I've been provided the opportunity and the skills to be able to perform these procedures and have such an impact on people's lives every day. And yet it's getting better and changing all the time.
Thursdays are my favorite day at work because we do cataract surgeries on Wednesdays. So I get to see the patients that I helped get to surgery, and I get to talk to them and, see the change already within less than 24 hours. I can see the improvement that they have. And, again, for a lot of folks, it's a life-changing experience, and it's really, it's such a joy to see that.
Dr. Solomon's reputation, bar none, it's almost synonymous. Like, I always thought LASIK, Dr. Solomon, they went completely hand in hand.
I think one of the things that stands out the most was the actual day of the procedure. And when I came in for my consultation appointment, the nurse or technician that I had for my consultation appointment, she just had the best smile, the best energy. And I remember saying to her at the end of this, like, I hope you're here on the day of my surgery because you're just bringing some good vibes to this process. And she was, and she held my hand the whole time during the procedure, felt like a child. But it was really great to have that support. And I've seen her since I've come back when I have follow-up appointments, and it's just really great to have the same people see you through the process.
Our job is to put them at ease. This is what we do. We're very good at what we do. And we want to make sure that when people leave here, they have all the information they need to make a great decision.
As a team, we are 100% focused on our patients. Everything we do is focused on you. From the moment you walk in the door, throughout your procedure, post-op, care, we want to make sure that you have the very best experience possible, and that makes me super proud as a leader of this team.
Again, I really think the best part is that we all do work as a team. You know, we all cover for each other when needed. We all, you know, step into areas that we need to when the team in general need help. And, you know, and two, I think I work for the best. Like, I can't imagine, you know, I could probably do what I do for another surgeon, but would I feel as confident in them as I do with Dr. Solomon? I really feel like that he's just the best. And I love that. I love being a part of a team that is really the best and gives the best care.
I love the fact that my team is so committed. They are every bit as invested in this as I am. But how can you not be? Seeing the end result, when patients come in after surgery with huge smiles, saying it's the best thing they've ever done, and hearing stories, it can be the sweetest little thing from I haven't been able to drive at night, and now for the first time I can actually go see my daughter or my grandkids because I feel totally comfortable driving at night. To a young college student who wants to go play competitive golf, feels he's seeing the golf ball better, has more confidence, and his scores are actually getting better. The change that we're making in people's lives every day, that's what drives my team and I love every second of it.
I love being able to see the difference that we make in people's lives, not only being able to be part of it, but being able to see it physically every single day from start to finish.
I can read the paper, I can pick out the finest print. I challenge myself every day just to make sure it's real, so that I can see real fine print. And as far as hunting and fishing, I don't have any problem with tying fishing line now. I can read my GPS on my boat as I ride. Hunting, I don't know, I just feel like it's endless now for me. I can see everything. So it's been a great experience.
People talk about Disneyland and magical. Waking up to me is magical. To see, not having to like go pick up my glasses to even read the clock, or if I have to get up and get a drink of water, not having to deal with that anymore, just the freedom.
I think the neatest part about not having glasses is waking up in the morning and I can see the clock. I don't have to think about where my glasses are. I don't have to grab them to go do something simple. I just go. It's so nice. It's freeing.
If there's any money you're going to spend on yourself, do that. I would do this before I go on vacation again, because not saying a vacation can't be a life-changing experience, but this is a life-changing experience. And I feel like everybody that I know needs to know that.
Your eyes are the most precious part of your body, and that's why you need to choose your doctor wisely. And I'm telling you, I had no fear of him doing my surgery. And yes, I do talk to people about it. It's not scary. Don't put it off, because you're just wasting days of your life without vision. And when it's done, it truly is magical to me.
You've come to the right place. I would send my mom and dad here. We have everything that we could possibly offer to make sure that you have the best outcome possible.
Everything we do is to try to help you achieve the vision you're looking for. You tell us what you're looking for, we'll use everything at our disposal to help you achieve it. Because at the end, everything we do is focused on you.